Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Muck Boot Rubber Garden Boots. If you tend to garden during cooler months or wet conditions, you won't mind splurging on these versatile boots, which our tester called sturdy and tough. They're fairly heavy with deep tread that provides good traction in slippery muck, and when worn in the high position, give the wearer the feeling that you can walk into nearly any gardening situation and be good to go. Although the boots are advertised as being easy to clean. Breathable air mesh lining wicks away humidity and perspiration, and allows air to travel throughout the boot while keeping water out. Comfort rated from subfreezing to 18 degrees Celsius. High-grade rubber exterior provides extra toughness and makes for a 100% waterproof garden boot. High traction outsole offers excellent grip and self-cleans for added stability on slick surfaces. Our second best gardening shoes is Boggs Patch Ankle Boot. The Boggs Patch Ankle Boots received perfect scores across all categories: quality, comfort, durability, design, and value, earning our title of best overall shoe. These ankle boots aren't just well made and sturdy, they also look good. The soles are both thick yet flexible and able to accommodate lots of bending and maneuvering in the garden. 100% waterproof from top to bottom to keep feet warm and dry. The ankle height, which made them easy to get on and off, and appreciated the small tab on the back that made them easier to remove. These ankle boots aren't just well made and sturdy, they also look good. Rebound cushioning in midsole provides all-day comfort and energy return. The waterproof material may be too thick for sweltering summer temps, and the shoes do give off a strong rubbery odor right out of the box. Let's watch more. The soles are both thick yet flexible and able to accommodate lots of bending and maneuvering in the garden. Since half sizes aren't available, our tester went up a half size. Third in our list is Slogger's Waterproof Garden Shoe. These garden clogs scored high in our testing for their waterproof exterior, durable sole, and overall value. The exterior is made of a durable, rubber-like material that effectively prevents any kind of moisture from creeping into the interior of the shoe, even when hosed off after use. The sole is thick and offers a hardy tread, enabling you to traverse all kinds of yard terrain with ease. Each garden clog is built with heavy-duty lug tread outsole for great traction and stability that supports all activities. This makes them the perfect pool or beach shoes, nursing shoes, and lake accessory for all seasons. Take on wet grass, mud, muck, and puddles. Our durable shoes are easy to rinse off or wipe with a wet cloth. Or take them in the shower for at-home use. Environmentally friendly insoles are made with 90% recycled material. Number 4 in our best gardening shoes list is Naturalizer Marianne Loafer. Gardening shoes are essential for protecting your normal shoes from getting ruined while gardening. The good news about these design-conscious loafers, which come in playful prints like cheetah and snakeskin, is that they're extremely comfortable and have good arch support, two things that Naturalizer shoes are known for. They're cute enough that the wearer can go from gardening to running errands or eating out. One of the more breathable options on our list, they have a removable insert and also provide good traction during potentially slippery tasks. Leather, suede, fabric, velvet, corduroy or fabric and leather upper in a casual sport style with a round toe. Elastic goring side panels. Our last pick is Emoji Garden Clog Yard Shoes. The Emoji Garden Clog Yard comes with a unique design of the upper that can effectively accelerate air circulation and keep the sandals dry. Emoji Garden Clogs are made of rubber material, comfort, anti-slip, and lightweight. Massage granules, unique bump design, soft and non-slip, good for your foot health. Available in multiple sizes for women and men with 24 classic options, ranging from everyday go-to white and black to exuberant wine and olive. It's classic for any fashion lover's wardrobe and top footwear choices for stay-at-home wearing. Crafted with selected high-quality materials, the clogs are mood-boosting and stress-reducing. suitable for anyone running errands as it would put a spring in your step.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!